Bonjour, bienvenue à une autre vidéo des ventilateurs du Québec. Here I'm presenting you a 1982 Casablanca Zephyr in polished brass finish with the same blade finish as the other Zephyr I have, except this one doesn't have stencil. And two of the big differences is that this one I didn't got it from another collector. I found it locally here in Quebec. And also it comes with its original Slumber Quiet variable speed control. My other one was converted to 3-speed. And this one actually works. Yes, the Slumber Quiet actually works on it. Slumber Quiet is basically a special variable speed control developed by Casablanca that is it's a variable speed control that is integrated on the switch housing up there with a little round black knob. And unlike other variable speed control, it's perfectly silent. It doesn't buzz. It doesn't have a buzzy or humming sound to it. It's perfectly quiet. Here it is, the variable speed knob for the control. It can be turned all the way, like a volume knob basically, and the pull chain that you saw just turns on and off the fan, so that means this variable speed control doesn't have any off position. It adjusts the speeds all the way up or down. And the pull chain can also control the light kit if you have one. I believe it can do fan only, and then you pull it and it probably does fan and light, and then you pull it again and light only and then off, something like that. So here is the detailed tag. So those were the early days of Casablanca, as you can see. They were still in Pasadena, of course, and made in the States. I really like how they show the name of the model on these older tags. I got it all complete. I'm just using my Panama Hang-Tru. You've probably noticed it's a newer Hang-Tru. We can even see by the tone of the brass, which is still more pale, while the rest of the fan, especially the switch housing, is darkened a lot. The brackets too. It's normal. It does that over the years. It's still a fan from 1982 after all. But I did got it all complete. I'm using the Panama's canopy mostly for two reasons. Not only for the safety reason, but also I had my Panama hang there just before this one, so it would have been kind of stupid to change the canopy, especially considering it's actually safer to use those newer ones. So that's why I'm using a newer Hang-Tru with it, even though I have the original older Hang-Tru for it. It came all complete, like I said. Like you saw, the blades are in very good condition. The blades were a little bit wrapped down. There still are a little, but I've been able to make them actually to flatten more by putting them, like you can see, this one is still going down a little bit, but it was way worse than that when I first got it. Under heavy books and bricks, while leaving a space in the middle, I've been able to make them a lot more flat, so it looks much better than before. Here it is on its lowest setting. Normally at this time of the year it would be on updraft, but I put it on downdraft just for the video. It's very, very slow, extremely quiet. It's practically impossible to hear anything from it. So I would say that's about like probably 30 RPMs. Yeah, 30, maybe 35, something like that. It's very slow. It's very pleasant, very relaxing to look at. Here it is a little bit faster. This is probably about the lowest speed you would get on a 3 or 4 speed Casablanca pole chain fan. So something about like 45, 50 RPMs. Here's faster. So that's about the low speed you get on a lot of cheaper 132 centimeter fan. And I already feel quite a lot of air just at that speed. So here's faster. So the arrow of the knob points directly up now. We're starting to get a serious breeze already, just at that pretty lowish speed still. You can still see the blades. So here's again faster. That's probably the regular Casablanca medium speed on a pull chain fan. It does about like probably 120 RPMs. So here it is on a faster speed. Probably does now like 140 RPMs. It's a faster medium speed now. It blows a lot of air, and you hear a little bit the sound of the wind noise. So here it is on, it's nearly high speed. I'm not even sure if I'm really gonna show the fullest speed, because you know the flywheels on these fans are like jello. They're extremely fragile. I might show it, but for a very short amount of time. So this is almost high speed, like almost fully turned. It's of course your high speed on a lot of fans. I think you have 200 RPMs now, or almost 190 maybe. So what's interesting is that it takes, like, you can turn it a lot at the beginning. At the first half of the knob, it can be turned a lot and the speed won't increase so much. And then in the last bits of turnings, this is when it increases a lot. You just barely turn it, and then the knob is suddenly very sensible, and you increase the speed a lot by barely turning it in about the last 15-20% of the knob on the highest side, while on the rest of the knob it's, you know, you turn, and it won't do huge increasings. So here it is on the insane highest setting. I hope you enjoyed the video. 2014 marks my 5th year of making Song Fan videos, so thanks a lot for all of those who have been watching and commenting my videos. Don't forget to subscribe also, and I wish you will continue to view my videos and to like them and to comment them. Donc oui, ça fait 5 ans, yeah, 5 years already in 2014. So please comment this one too, and thank you for watching.